In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur and track someone's face on Premiere Pro. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So I have this video right here, and in this case, I want to blur her face. So we are quickly going to do that by applying a Gaussian blur. So go to the effects panel and search for Gaussian blur right here. And now just drag and drop the effect into the clip. So after this, the effect will probably apply into all the clip. So we are going to effect controls. If you can't see any of these panels, you can go to window and you can enable both panels right here. So if we go to effect controls, we are going to search for the Gaussian blur effect, which is right here. And we are going to decrease the amount to 0. So this way we can clearly see her face. And now to blur her face only, we are going to create a mask. So go to this toolbar right here and you will see a tool like this, or maybe it has a different icon, but you need to long press the left click and then select the shape of the mask tool you want. For example, I'm going to choose the ellipse mask tool. If you are using an older Premiere Pro version, you might find the mask tool on the effects controls panel. So you should find those icons right here. And now I'm just going to put the mask right here on the face. And I'm going to move the mask into the Gaussian blur effect. So now I'm going to increase the amount so we can blur the face correctly. And now it's important to go to the tracker right here and track the selected mask. So if you click here, it will take a few seconds and it will automatically track the object, or in this case the face. Now as you can see, if we play the video, the mask will blur and track the face. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.